Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Okay, Judge, this is the bailiff, Lorena from the courtroom.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you hear that echo?
I'm sorry?
Do you still hear the echo?
No.
Okay. Miss Jessica logs in from her computer because she's looking through all the notes, but her computer it's muted.
Okay, and
We don't use that audio. We only use the courtrooms.
all right. YouTube and or rather Zoom does weird things sometimes.
Yeah, that
I've never quite had that happen, but I've had it do stuff.
No, and it does. They already know when they come into this courtroom, they cannot use any other devices.
And
Because
I'm sorry, my court reporter's calling. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no, she was muted.
I'm not sure. I don't think it was Lachey, but did just sign on in because I had everybody's muted, including mine, and it was still echoing. I don't see how that happens. It shouldn't, but yeah, everybody else is back if you want to sign on.
No tiene audio.
Okay. Sounds good. Okay, she's signing back on right in just a moment.
Okay, Judge.
I said I had everybody muted, including me, for a while, and it was still echoing. I don't see how that can happen.
Right. And this is the first thing I always check on, Judge, because we do get that feedback whenever someone is also on their devices here in the courtroom.
Yes.
So okay, very good, Judge.
And I've seen it a lot where the attorney has their client in the next room, but they're too close and it picks it up. All right, let's give Ms. Cavazos just a moment. She's coming back on.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Okay, perfect.
Well, I'm not sure what's going on. Here she is. Okay, are we ready to go? All right, I'm calling Gonzalez versus Gonzalez 2020 CBK 00879-D3. And let me ask who all is present.
My name's Dylan Wood, Your Honor. I represent the Webb County Appraisal District. My client, the chief appraiser, Martin Villarreal, was ordered or was added in this suit. But I have a notice of non-suit that was filed by the plaintiff in April. I do not have an order on that non-suit, and so I just showed up in case I needed to be here.
Okay, and one more time, the chief appraiser's name is?
Martin Villarreal.
Martin Villarreal. Okay, I have a blank order I have for non-suits. I don't have an order, and I will prepare and sign one of those in just a moment. All right, is the plaintiff, Mr. Abelardo Gonzalez, here? Is he still in custody? Do we know?
Judge, this is Sonia Vela for the record. I'm the coordinator for the court. Mr. Abelardo Gonzalez was released January the 3rd from Webb County, and he was released to TDCJ. As of yesterday, I've been trying to track him down. Apparently today, he was released. Yesterday, I was notified he was released to Garza West. I did call Garza West unit that he was moved to another facility, and now he's headed from Huntsville to the Lewis C. Powell unit in Palestine, Texas. So he's in transit now. He's not physically there, but he will be there later on this afternoon.
Okay. Do we have any motions?
Your Honor, I'm Alberto Gonzalez. Have a motion to dismiss.
Okay, and do I have a copy of that? And was it set for today?
I do apologize, sir. Right now, this case was already heard and tried. We had a jury of our peers, and it was ready. The verdict was rendered. It's the same case, Your Honor.
Okay,
Mr.
but do we have
Abelardo
a copy of it?
Gonzalez, yes, Your Honor. I believe my wife, Rosalinda, who was in court, has a copy. The judgment was signed by the judge, and he will give you a copy to you, sir.
Okay, and was that set for hearing today?
Judge, we don't have any motions set today. It was set for a calendar call, and that's to initiate the process of the case. The only motion, the only recent motion that was filed was a motion for withdrawal from Mr. Rene Cantu that was e-filed back in 12/16, December 16, it was e-filed. It's not set. Notice was not set. I was waiting on a setting to hear a date from Your Honor to set this motion.
Okay. All right, let me ask, are Friday mornings or afternoons a good or bad time for a Zoom hearing for the district court in Webb County?
We could set something up on a Friday. I don't know if you could give me more specific date and I could look at it in our calendar.
All right, so let me look here. This Friday will be the 20th. Let's call it March the 3rd. And actually, let me go and look at the dismissal for warrant of prosecution. Okay, yes, March the 3rd at say 1:30 p.m.
March the 3rd
Yes, ma'am.
at 1:30. Will Your Honor provide the court reporter?
Yes.
Okay. I will send out notice.
I'm sorry, no, March the 3rd, February 3rd.
Okay, let me go back, Your Honor.
And that's 3 weeks from this Friday.
Oh, February the 3rd. Okay, so February the 3rd, 1:30 p.m. and then court reporter will be provided. The only motion as of now that I have on file, Your Honor, is the motion to withdraw. I know we exchanged a couple of emails with counsel that was also addressed to Your Honor. As of now, Mr. Cantu still remains as attorney for the defendants. He did withdraw because he did mention it on the email. He withdrew from the case that was just closed. We just had a recent jury trial with these same parties, same allegations. We just had a jury trial with Judge Joel Johnson. It has been recently closed. It doesn't even have about a month and a half that it was just closed with these same litigation matters.
Okay, and it sounds like that would be appropriate for a motion to dismiss. So I will ask everyone, whatever motions you need to file, file them and set them, notify the plaintiff that they're set for the 3rd of February. And let me go in here to chat. And I have just posted the Zoom setting. So anybody who's on a regular computer, you should be able to go in and copy that information down. Or just copy it and then paste it into a document so you have the Zoom information. And Lachey, I will send that to you separately. And while we're here, if you'll hold on just a minute, let me edit this document and okay, and this is in the 341st, right?
Correct.
I'm going to go ahead and do the order granting the non-suit. Actually, I will just e-file both of these in a few minutes. I am going to set this matter for dismissal from want of prosecution on the 3rd of February at 1:30 p.m. by Zoom. I'll put the Zoom information in there. And Mr.
Judge, can I
Wood, yes.
bring up something? I know the Palestine unit has a couple of requirements. If you could place the following information under plaintiff's information,
Okay.
you need to put his TDCJ number,
Right.
and the TCDJ number is 1622682.
Okay.
And under that, his SID number,
Right.
which is 05095629.
Okay, so that's 1622682 and 05095629.
Yes, the second one is a SID number, first one is a TCDJ number.
Okay. All right, so I will file the order granting the non-suit in the order setting this for dismissal for want of prosecution on February 3rd before I go home this afternoon.
Okay,
Thank you,
and
Your Honor.
I'll go ahead and forward to the law library. I need to do a couple of steps as soon as I receive them.
Okay, it'll be e-filed this afternoon.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and end the meeting.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sure, have a good one, sir.